Well, I am in the process of working on this HP Stream laptop. Just got done doing Windows 10 64-bit installation. Had to do it using this because I tried using this with all of my other different disks and I was having issues getting it done. But I finally got it doing something. So hopefully this will work. And as always, it's been a pleasure serving the great city of Seymour, Indiana. I am Tim Goff of Tim's Computer Repairs, 302 South Vine Street, Seymour, Indiana, 47274-2426. Phone number 812-528-6219. And back to the job. And I've got a few other computers down there that I need to work on as well. And I've also got another one down there that I gotta work on. And plus I got that one over there. But other than that, I got all the computer stuff that I need, my laptop bag, and all of my different little programs and everything. But most of it comes from my brain. So as long as this is working, then I can do any type of a computer job, more or less. It just takes a matter of time. Stupid fly. But anyways, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for taking the time out. I had to put it all back together. That's why you see this bag and these screwdrivers here. Because I had to put it back together. Let's put them screwdrivers back in the bag where they belong. And there we go. And hopefully this turns out good. Thank you again for watching.